My First 13 Surahs, a Quran Journey for Kids. A special edition of the Quran translation into simple English and Yoruba languages, created by Dr.Daud Awwal, designed to help children to learn and love the Quran in a way that is easy and meaningful. This edition is created with colorful activities, simple explanations and illustration, and engaging lessons that help children memorize and understand short chapters but powerful chapters of the Quran. The 13 chapters I selected for the children for learning purposes are Suratul Fil, the elephant, Quran 105, Suratul Quraysh, the tribe of Quraysh, Quran 106, Suratul Ma'un, kindness and prayer, Quran 107, Suratul Kawthar, the river in paradise, Quran 108, Suratul Kafirun. The different religions, Quran 109, Suratul Nasr, victory from Allah, Quran 110, Suratul Masad, the enemy of the truth, Quran 111, Suratul Ikhlas, Allah is one, sincerity, Quran 112, Suratul Falaq, morning protection, Quran 113, Suratul Nas, seeking protection, Quran 114, Suratul Asr, by the time, Quran 103, Suratul Taka'athu, the pilling up, 102, Suratul Fatiha, the opening, Quran 1. This video is created by Dr. Daud Awwal for awareness of the Global Quran Translation Project.